Embrace elegance in this contemporary courtyard, featuring a lush vertical garden wall alive with tropical plants. The minimalist white patio offers modern lounge chairs, a chic table with tropical accents, and a sleek water feature seamlessly integrated into the garden wall. Step into this vibrant tropical escape, where colorful flowers and lush greenery flourish under a large pergola with hanging lights. Relax on a modern rattan sofa with colorful cushions, or enjoy dining al fresco at a table adorned with a tropical tablecloth. Enter this chic tropical sanctuary, designed with interconnected outdoor spaces. A raised seating platform takes center stage, surrounded by vibrant potted plants, a cozy fire pit, and a soothing water feature with a cascading waterfall, perfect for relaxation. Indulge in this luxurious poolside oasis, where a sleek infinity pool blends seamlessly with lush tropical landscaping. Modern sun loungers and a chic outdoor dining area with a built-in barbecue invite relaxation, while large sliding glass doors connect to the contemporary living space. Relax in this cozy tropical nook, where a private garden flourishes with palm trees and lush plants. A rustic wooden bench and hanging lanterns enhance the charm, while a stone pathway leads to a contemporary water fountain, creating a serene retreat. Discover the tranquility of this minimalist tropical retreat. The clean design highlights lush greenery with large potted plants, a sleek concrete bench, and an elegant water feature. Floor-to-ceiling glass walls seamlessly integrate this serene space with the modern home. Enjoy this stylish tropical retreat with a central elevated wooden deck. Modern outdoor chairs and a low table are complemented by a lush array of tropical plants arranged around the perimeter, creating a chic and inviting atmosphere for relaxation. Immerse yourself in this serene tropical haven, featuring a Zen-inspired garden with tropical plants, gravel, and a minimalist stone pathway. A sleek modern bench, subtle lanterns, and a calming water feature enhance the peaceful ambience of this tranquil space. Experience the vibrant energy of this outdoor lounge, where a large sectional sofa adorned with colorful tropical cushions sets the stage. Surrounded by tall tropical plants, the space features a small coffee table and a modern fire pit with built-in seating, perfect for cozy gatherings. Step into this elegant tropical oasis, where tall palm trees and lush greenery surround a sleek modern pool. The adjoining seating area boasts stylish lounge chairs and a contemporary outdoor rug, creating a refined and relaxing retreat. Enjoy the chic allure of this contemporary tropical courtyard, featuring a stylish outdoor bar area adorned with tropical-themed decor. A sleek bar counter and high stools are surrounded by vibrant tropical plants, with large glass doors seamlessly connecting to the modern home. Indulge in this luxurious tropical escape, where a spacious outdoor area features a sleek infinity pool and plush lounge furniture amidst lush tropical plants. Large glass walls create a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor living, enhancing the sense of opulence and relaxation. Step into this tropical courtyard oasis, seamlessly blending indoor and outdoor living with a sleek glass wall. Lush palm trees and a cascading water feature create a serene escape, complemented by contemporary lounge chairs and minimalist stone flooring. Experience this stylish tropical garden retreat, where large sliding glass doors reveal a lush sanctuary of ferns and orchids. A cozy wooden deck hosts cushioned lounge chairs and a sleek modern fire pit, all set against a serene pebble backdrop. Discover tranquility in this serene tropical courtyard, centered around a tranquil koi pond. Access through large bifold doors. A wooden bridge leads to a cozy seating area, complete with plush cushions and a low coffee table, surrounded by lush greenery.